Hey, today I will introduce the best service in the best web hosting category. Having tested more than 25 hosting, I have chosen the most reliable one for myself and have been using it for over 8 years. It offers good web hosting services for both beginners and more advanced webmasters at great prices. In this short video, I will show you a few secrets that few people know about that make it truly one of the best in the best web hosting category. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and like it. Let's start.
SiteGround is one of the most recommended hosting companies for WordPress. They are known for their top-notch customer support, reliable and fast hosting plans. Their WordPress-optimized hosting includes everything you need to build and grow a successful website or blog. Almost all SiteGround servers are now hosted on Google's cloud platform. They've also added UltraFast PHP and created a special WordPress optimization plugin that puts them in the premium web hosting category. Typically, websites hosted on a shared hosting account will slow down during peak traffic hours. This is because your site shares resources with other sites on that server. SiteGround offers shared hosting, WordPress hosting, cloud hosting, and dedicated hosting plans. Their shared hosting plans are perfect for your needs if you're just starting. Over time, however, your site will grow and you want to make sure they have other plans you can upgrade to. Let's take a look at SiteGround's hosting plans and their features. Shared hosting. Shared hosting is recommended for new websites, bloggers, small business websites, or startup online stores. It is suitable for low-traffic websites because you will be sharing resources with other hosted websites. WordPress hosting. This plan is optimized version of their shared hosting plan for WordPress. It comes with internal WordPress optimization to improve the performance of your site. Woocommerce hosting. This plan is optimized for the Woocommerce version of their shared hosting plan. It includes SiteGround optimization, which significantly improves the performance of your online store. Cloud hosting. Cloud hosting plans provide a flexible upgrade to a shared hosting solution. It allows you to leverage the resources of the cloud architecture, including multi-core CPU and bandwidth. It's suitable for growing websites, popular blogs, or businesses. It can also be an upgrade over VPS and traditional dedicated servers. SiteGround's shared hosting options are the best way to create a new website. Their shared hosting packages are available in 3 levels to fit different budgets. Launch. This plan is limited to hosting one website. It includes 10 GB of disk space and is suitable for hosting 10,000 visitors per month. You also get all the features you need, such as one-click WordPress installation, free installation, website migration, daily backups, built-in caching, free CDN, free SSL, and more. Grow Big. The Grow Big plan allows you to host an unlimited number of websites. It has 20 GB of disk space and is suitable for hosting sites visited 25,000 times per month. You get all the features of the startup plan, plus additional features like UltraFast PHP for even more significant speed, on-demand backup, a simple staging tool, and the ability to add contributors to your site. Go Gig. The Go Gig plan is suitable for e-commerce websites. It can handle websites that have 100,000 visitors per month. In addition to all the features of Grow Big, you get access to priority support, additional server resources, advanced features such as one-click Git repository creation, and the ability to manage white-label clients for your site. Each SiteGround plan includes faster disk storage, email accounts, support for Cloudflare's free content delivery network, and a free Let's Encrypt SSL certificate. You'll see high praise for SiteGround's customer service everywhere. Their support team is remarkably capable of offering their customers fast, helpful, and knowledgeable support. Their customer service includes 24/7 phone support, online chat, and ticket-based email support. Phone and chat response times are almost instantaneous. E-tickets get the first response in less than 10 minutes. SiteGround offers an extensive collection of knowledge-based articles with screenshots, videos, tutorials, and guides for users who prefer to fix bugs themselves.